What if one warm drink each morning could help your joints loosen, your mind clear, and your mornings feel 20 years lighter? Japan's oldest doctor, Dr. Hinohara, lived to 105, still seeing patients at 100. His secret wasn't a pill, it was a simple cup that reset his body every day. Stay with me, because tomorrow morning, this could be your first step too. After 60, your body carries more than years. Stress settles like a heavy fog, circulation slows, leaving hands and feet colder. But what if one simple morning ritual, warm, soothing, alive with centuries of wisdom, could help clear the fog? Dr. Hinohara believed in this ritual. He credited it for the clarity and vitality that carried him beyond 100. Let's take the first step together. 1. The pressure valve effect, resetting stress hormones. Naturally, after 60, your body often holds on to stress like a pressure cooker left on high. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, slowly builds throughout the day, and without a way to release it, that pressure starts to affect everything: your sleep, your mood, even your blood sugar. But here's the good news. There's a simple warm ritual that acts like a pressure valve, gently turning down the heat. Science backs this up. A 2022 study at King Khalid University found that adults drinking warm green tea daily experienced a 25% drop in cortisol and other adrenal stress hormones in just 6 weeks. That's not a small shift. For many, it meant calmer evenings and fewer anxious wake-ups at night. One of my patients, Helen, 68, described her mornings before this ritual as foggy and tense. Her shoulders were tight, her mind raced with to-do lists. She started every day with a knot in her chest. So, we tried something simple. Each morning, before the news, before her phone, just a quiet cup of warm lemon water, 8 ounces, steeped to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, warm enough to soothe, never scalding. She sat by the window, letting the sunlight touch her skin as she sipped. By the end of week 2, Helen told me, "I don't know why, but my mornings feel lighter. It's like the knot in my chest untied itself." What most people don't realize is that warm drinks don't just comfort you emotionally. They trigger your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode, allowing cortisol levels to ease down naturally. It's like turning that pressure cooker's valve and letting the steam escape. Tomorrow morning, imagine holding that warm cup. Feel the heat on your palms. Smell the lemon's brightness. Could this be the first moment of calm your body's been asking for? 2. More than comfort. How warm drinks reset your aging body. Many people think warm drinks are just comforting, like holding a cup of tea on a rainy day. Nice, but not much more. But here's what most people don't know. Modern science is catching up to what Dr. Hinohara practiced for decades. Studies show that warm, polyphenol-rich drinks, like green tea, don't just soothe your mind, they actively reset critical systems in your aging body. A landmark study from Tohoku University followed thousands of Japanese seniors for years. They discovered something stunning. Those who drank at least 5 cups of green tea daily had a 46% lower risk of losing their independence as they aged. That means fewer falls, stronger balance, and a higher chance of living at home rather than in assisted care. Think about that. A simple cup of warm tea could mean the difference between needing help and staying active into your 80s and beyond. Why does this happen? It comes down to catechins, natural plant compounds found in green tea. When you drink it warm, these compounds are better absorbed and circulate faster through your system. It's like having tiny engineers traveling through your bloodstream, repairing inflamed tissues and tuning up your cells. Helen, my 68-year-old patient, was skeptical. "It's just tea," she said. But within 3 weeks of her daily tea ritual, mid-morning, 2 cups loose-leaf green tea, she noticed something subtle yet powerful. Her legs felt stronger on stairs, and her hands weren't as stiff when knitting. So, let me ask you this. Have you ever dismissed a daily ritual as too simple to work? What if simplicity is exactly what your body has been waiting for? I'd love to know, do you already have a small morning ritual that helps you feel grounded? Or would this be your very first? Drop it in the comments. Your idea might inspire someone else watching the Cellular cleanup crew. Activating autophagy for repair. Here's something fascinating about your body after 60. Every single cell is like a house. Over the years, dust and clutter build up. Damaged proteins, weak mitochondria, cellular debris. If the mess isn't cleared, your cell houses can't function well. Energy drops. Healing slows. You feel it as stiffness, fatigue, even brain fog. But there's good news. Your body has its own housekeeping system. It's called autophagy. Think of it as a cleaning crew that sweeps through at night, taking out the trash and leaving your cells fresh for a new day. Now here's where Dr. Hinohara's morning ritual shines. Polyphenols in green tea, especially E, G, C, G, have been shown to activate autophagy, and when you drink it warm, absorption improves, giving your cellular cleanup crew a head start. A 2014 study in nutrients found seniors who consumed green tea daily had 11% better short-term memory scores after 3 months. Researchers believe part of this improvement comes from enhanced cellular renewal in the brain. Helen noticed it too. 3 weeks into her daily green tea ritual, she told me, "It's like someone cleaned the windows in my head. I can see my thoughts more clearly." The best part? This doesn't require extreme fasting or complicated supplements. Just 1 to 2 cups of warm green tea in the afternoon, ideally between 2 and 4 p.m. That timing supports your body's natural repair rhythms. Picture it now, a quiet afternoon, sunlight falling across your kitchen table, and you holding a warm cup that's helping your cells repair from decades of wear. It's such a small act. Yet, it may be the key to aging powerfully. 4. Highway expansion, boosting circulation with heat and catechins. Picture this. Your blood vessels are like highways carrying nutrients and oxygen to every corner of your body. But as we age, those highways narrow, traffic slows, hands and feet feel colder, wounds heal slower. Even your brain might feel foggier from reduced flow. But what if there was a way to gently expand those highways again? Dr. Hinohara believed in it. And modern science agrees. The warmth of a drink, combined with green tea's catechins, has been shown to promote vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. This allows more blood to flow, delivering life-giving oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. A 2004 study on T-flavanol bioavailability revealed that warm drinks enhance polyphenol absorption, amplifying their circulation-boosting effects. Helen felt this change too. She told me, "After my afternoon tea and stretches, my feet don't ache like before. Even in winter, they feel warmer." Here's how you can try it. Brew a cup of green tea around 3 p.m., then pair it with 5 minutes of gentle leg stretches or a short walk around the house. This combination stimulates blood flow naturally. It's like opening up extra lanes on a congested highway. Suddenly, everything moves more freely. Your legs feel lighter, your hands warmer, your mind clearer. Could something as simple as this give you back the ease and energy you've been missing? Dr. Hinohara once said, "To keep your body young, you must first keep your heart light." Imagine starting tomorrow with this simple ritual. A warm cup in your hands, the steam rising softly to your face, your body no longer fighting, no longer stiff, but beginning to heal, to flow, to breathe again. What if this one small habit became your turning point, your gift to the future you? So let me ask you, what would your first cup mean to you? Peace, energy, a second chance? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to begin. And if you're ready for more ways to age powerfully, gently hit that subscribe button. Together, we'll keep building a life where 60, 70, even 100 feels full of vitality and joy.